Looks like
Kaya sa akin yung pagkakasama ng Pwede ba kung nakasalit ko? Hindi ako mga hindi na residente.
So last week, so last meeting we had already started the 10 commandments of human relation. So there are set of principles that can help us improve our interpersonal skills and relationships. They are not based on any religious doctrine, but rather on common sense or courtesy. So we have just a small review. As people, there is nothing as nice as gentle word greeting, communicate clearly, politely, and respectfully, don't ignore and avoid or insult others. So speak to people. When you speak to people, you see them in your eyes. Like, oh, ma'am, good morning. Good morning. Look at her or his eyes. They smile at people. It takes 7 the crowd only for him to smile. Show your friendless side, you smile. Call people by name. So, how do you call people by name? So, mas namin mag-get ko by nickname, no? Kasi classmate na ako. But, as your teacher, I address you Miss or Mr. Because you're reading others. We don't call you your nickname. No? So, we call you by Miss Macadato, Mr. Yato, etc. So, be friendly and helpful. Be kind, generous, and cooperative with others, especially in the classroom. So, your president in the classroom is Mr. Yato, so be cooperative with him. Offer assistance support when needed. Don't be selfish. Okay, 5. Be cordial. Speak and act as if everything you do is genuinely pleasure. Okay, be generous with praise, cautious with criticism.